Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to make a pipe in 2D with a multi-line option. So it is really very easy. All you have to do first of all is we will learn the simple thing first, that how to make a line in AutoCAD. So basically with the L command you draw a line and then you select it and give it whatever thickness you want to give according to your plan. So like you have in an architectural plan you will have like three kind of main pipes. One is the water intake pipe, one is the water outtake pipe, one is the fire pipe, and fourth is the coolant pipe. So for this video we are just going to learn about two pipes, which is the one which is the water intake pipe, and second is the fire pipe. So all you have to do is that uh, give it the give it one kind of thickness, and then you what you do is you make another line, you do copy, you make another line, and then you make this as a fire line. So for the fire pipe what you have to do is you have to make it a little more bigger, which is 1.6 mm, and give it the color red, which is the first in index color. And for the water pipe what you do is you give it the color blue, which is right over here. So this is how you make a pipe in AutoCAD, which is in 2D. So after that, what all you have to do is just enter the command pl enter, which is a polyline, which gives you continuous lines of it, and then you have to do is as per your plumbing layout, you have to trace your lines as per it goes in the bathroom. So my water pipe goes like this in the bathroom, and it is like this over here. So what I will do is I will match the properties with the pipe with the pipe that we just created. And after that what we will do is we will also make the fire pipe. So fire pipe goes along the house, and then it does aligned 90-degree to the house. So this is how the two pipes are made. So after making the fire pipe we will match the property of the fire pipes too. And this is how we make a, a pipe in 2D in AutoCAD using the multi-line command, which is the polyline command. So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it. And before going, one most important thing that all you have to do is layer display, line weight display. LW display is what you have to do. If you don't turn on the line weight